How do you feel? We're about to try.
But I wonder what else you could put. You could like turn them into like predominantly eat fish, and they're like
We're so close though.
make it
We're so
more
close.
palatable. One of the
I was gonna say I'm gonna get cancer like the last time I got Japanese snacks.
This is a Japanese snack.
We're barely figuring it out.
Is it good? What do you rate it? 10. It tastes like a cookie.
What? Okay, you took one bite of the cookie. You're gonna try to save them?